Welcome to Jotun, where we help you to easily create beautiful, luxurious designs for your home using Jotun Majestic Design. This tutorial shows you how to create the Starry Night brush finish design using Majestic True Beauty Corvus Black 4116 and Majestic Design Diamond Desert Sky 9963. To achieve this effect, you'll need a roller and a brush. Ensure walls are dry, clean and smooth. All loose defective paints and latents must be removed. Apply one coat of Majestic Primer onto wall surface using the roller and allow it to dry. Then apply 2 coats of Majestic True Beauty Corvus Black 4116 and allow it to dry. Pour the contents of Majestic Design Diamond Powder from the small pack into Majestic Design Diamond Paint and mix well. Finish by using a brush to apply 2 coats of Majestic Design Diamond Desert Sky 9963 for a natural textured finish. You're now ready to create your artistic masterpiece with Jotun Majestic Design. Thank you for watching this tutorial from Jotun. Be your own impressionist. Start now to create your own masterpiece wall with Jotun.